we have got Vaibhav Rani followed by Shivam Singh. Vaibhav Rani from BCA final year.
मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जहाँ छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज और सम्राट अशोक जैसा राजा था। मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जहाँ हर 50 मील पर रूप, पहनावा, मजहब बदल जाता था। मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया को पाया जाता था। मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जिसे अपने भूगोल के पहले पूरे ब्रह्मांड का भूगोल समझ आता था। गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन, माय नेम इज़ वैभव रानी एंड आई एम फ्रॉम BCA PPU थर्ड ईयर बैच 1. The topic for today's expression is, can India be a world superpower? If yes, then how? So let's analyze the achievements and understand the challenge as a country where India is going to be in the future. Currently, we have only one superpower, that is the United States of America, and China is on its way to being a superpower. In order to be a superpower, country must be developed in each sector, including education, finance, defense, etc. If all these are satisfied, then only it is a superpower country. It is not that if country is strong in defense, it is a superpower country. Talking about India, it is still a developing nation. We should first understand the difference between developing nation and the developed one. Developed nation includes USA, Russia, UK, France. From these nations also, we can't say that all are superpower. UK and France are still trying to be one of them. Education can itself solve 70% of India's problem. As we know, India is producing lakhs of talented students every year who have enough potential in them. But due to the lack of good payment skills given by government on employment, most of the young students who have higher IQ have decided to go to abroad to work in the multinational company. But this is reducing our nation's capabilities. For a strong economy, we need to boost our manufacturing sector. Indian-made products are hardly used by any other country and are used by Indians only. We need to become producer rather than just being consumers. For defense, though we have the second largest army, but when we look at the equipment, most of them belongs to a different generation or not the latest version. Moreover, we import 99% of our defense equipment. A superpower cannot be dependent on any other country for its safety. Apart from that, India has taken some initiatives like Digital India for supporting, boosting the digital infrastructure and services, Make in India, which enhance manufacturing capabilities, Ayushman Bharat, which is making self-reliance in defense and space. And also the infrastructure development is also taken like Sagar Mala and Bharat Mala. Sagar Mala is a step taken by India for port connectivity increment. Finally, it's all about time and decision which the government will make. Of course, they will do the best for the nation, so let's support them for better India. Thank you.
Excellent, excellent, Vaibhav Rani. So you need to speak on startups of India.
So as we know, India is a developing country, and its base is the youth of the country. The youth is the future of India. So youth have the capability and potential to make India on the next level. So startups play an important role in the growth of the country. As suppose for an example, if a person try to start a startups sir, you are running an educational institute, and you are also doing startups and making the lives of most of the students easier, and you have given the opportunity for students to improve themselves and to prove themselves. And startups plays an important role in country's GDP also. And by all this, I can say that we need to support the person who take initiative in the society to make changes. Thank you.
many marks I should increase? She has praised me. तारीफ करने का कितना नंबर बढ़ा दे तुम्हारा?